If you're looking for the best websites for online arbitrage sourcing for Amazon FBA UK, then stay tuned. I'm going to share with you my top 5 websites. I'll go through them live on screen and show you some of the deals you can expect and share some insights, tips and tricks that are going to help you get the most out of them. These 5 top websites are based off my own lead service that we provide, whereby we're sourcing profitable products for our customers. And this is based off the last 12 months worth of data. So you can see where this information comes from. Coming in at number 5 is going to be an old classic that I love as a childhood. Is going to be Ryman's Stationery. One area that I love about this is the fact they always have great deals on, and everyone is always looking for stationery. For example, right now we've just found this Canon Pixma TS6350A. My God, really long. It's a wireless printer. Unfortunately, it has just gone out of stock, but it is going for $79.99 ink VAT. And I will say things like this have always done well. Printers, scanners really helped out. Let's jump over to Amazon listing. So here we've got the same product right here, and we're just going for 124. Now, if we go into the profit calculator, $79.99, selling for actually $124.99. Let's get it right. It's going to give you $27 profit on each purchase. That's incredible. You're going to get an ROI of 34%, and I love this. And by the way, these products, selling 14 per month. You can buy a couple of these and just keep selling them over and over again. People are always looking for scanners, printers, these kind of items. They are big, they're expensive. You can make a lot of cash on them with only a few purchases. Absolutely love it. Coming into number 4 is going to be one that I have loved as a childhood. Why? Because it's about games, and it's called the Game Collection. Now, the Game Collection has got lots of great deals on new and also used, but you want to be careful with the used. You probably want the new ones, but they've got lots of great opportunities. For example, here we've got Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, and it's for the Switch, and it's currently going for new for $40.95. So absolutely love that. Jump over to the listing. This is selling for $37.90. Absolutely incredible. Go to the profit calculator. So $40.95 selling for, actually, let's get it right, $73.90. What are we going to have in there? We're going to get a profit of $19. That's incredible. This is a tiny product, and it's selling 30 units per month, and we're making $19 profit. On top of that, we're going to get a 47% ROI. Absolutely amazing. Now, there are lots of deals like this that you can find, so do scour them. Obviously, you will find those great products. I've put together my top 100 suppliers from the lead service over the last 13 months for you, and you can access it right now for free in the description down below. Okay, so coming in at number 3, what have we got here? This is going to be Holland & Barrett. This is an old-time favorite. They always have lots of deals on. They're always doing like buy one, get one free, 3 for 2 offers, mix and match. Absolutely love it. Now, right here, we've got this Link Nutrition Brain Food. It's on a 3 for 2. So let's kind of calculate what that would be. So we're going to be $29 or $21.99 multiplied by 2. Let's get that right. And then divided by 3. So that means it's going to be about $14.66 each. So that's the price you're going to get on this 3 for 2 mix and match. And obviously you can mix it with other products. Let's jump over to the product. So right now it's selling for $24.47. If you come to the profit calculator, you're going to get $14.66 for $24.49. I've got here, so a little bit higher. Profit £3 per item. I like that. I think that's good. ROI, not on the highest side, is about 21%. I'd like to see it a little bit higher, but these products you can just buy over and over again. They come into season, and I really like them. And not only that, it's selling about 20 units per month. So if you get quite a lot of these different products, you just buy a couple of each going really wide, and you've got a nice little cash flow coming through, which can be really, really helpful. For Holland & Barrett, you'll find lots of those types of products whereby they are vitamins or supplements that are going to help your business out. Now, coming in at number 2 is going to be Lovell Soccer. Now, this is a website that does a lot of sporting equipment, and actually it's quite a really good niche to focus on within the UK. Lots of sports, especially around early January, February, March, lots of great deals. Now, the one thing that you see here, we've got a Nike Match Goalkeeper glove. It's going for £15, and it's in size 4, so you can see it right here. And if you jump over to the Amazon listing, you see the same product, size 4 as well, is going to be going for $34.19, which is like, wow, that's great markup. £15 buy price, sell for $34.20. You're going to be $11 profit, which is like, wow, that's actually a lot of cash from one product. And on top of that, the ROI is $73.47. Now, it's not selling the fastest, so don't go too deep, but you can find lots of these kind of like sporting products, sporting kind of fashion products, or like clothing items. You're only going to buy a couple of them, and they actually, when they sell, you make massive cash profit. So if you're kind of low on cash and you're looking for high profit products, but you're not able to buy too many, these can be ideal. That can really help you out. If you're struggling to get started on Amazon and you've got lots of questions which are not being answered, check out the Fast Track FBA Top Seller Program. This is a program program I put together where we have 3 live support calls where you can ask questions directly to myself and my team every single week. Not only that, we have a training material which is broken down into just 2-hour modules which make it really easy to learn step by step. Not only that, it's also a very low cost fee. You can cancel at any time and get that support only when you need it. Check it out, the Fast Track FBA Top Seller program down below. Right, let's jump on to the final one, top supplier that we have found over the last 13 months. That is going to be essential. Let's have a quick look here. So we've got this Kiehl's product right here, amino acid conditioner. It's got a voucher code up top. And if we scroll down, what I'm interested in this is 200 mil right here. It's going for £19.10. And they have obviously a lot in stock, which I absolutely love that. And they give you points so you can use that as well. And cashback at 6.37. Wow. We're just going to take the £19.10. We're going to jump back over. So here's the same product. It's a 200 mil version. And we've got £19.10 right here. And it's going for £32.64. So let's get that right. £32.64. You can see we're going to be making £5 profit per item. And it's going to nearly 30% ROI. If you add in the cashback, add in maybe the points, you're definitely going to be hitting that 30% ROI. Now, on top of that, it's selling 22 units per month, which is going to be good. Buy a couple of units, sell them out over the course of the next month. It's going to really help you out. This supplier, we absolutely love. There's loads of great deals there. And everyone loves beauty because they work really well. The one thing which I'll say is all of these suppliers are great, but do make sure that you are combining them with things such as cashback. We saw in Essentials, it had 6.37% cashback. Now, not only that, you're using voucher codes, it's going to reduce down the cost of the products you are buying. You can even use discount cards. For example, if you can get like 5% off £100 store credit, that's going to help you out. And then finally, make sure you're combining all of that with things like cashback credit cards, because this is just going to bring down the cost of your delivery. It's going to really help out. So they are my top 5 suppliers. Now, if you like that, do make sure you give me a thumbs up, and hey, hit the subscribe button down below and check out one of these videos around here. I think you're going to love it. But for myself, Thomas Parkinson and Fast Track FBA, thank you very much.